To show you how to remove the multimedia player from Audi Q5 2012, which is similar to the other years. We already made everything loose, by the way. This is just for the demo only. These are the tools that you need to remove the multimedia player. To remove it, you just need to put the car in the neutral position first, so you can move the shifter in the neutral position, and then just cover it with the towel or rag, something, so you won't get the scratch when you pull the multimedia player out. And you need to just insert this is two special tools into this hole. As you can see, I'll show it to you where the holes are. And when it goes in like about an inch, it just makes the clicking noise, and then you push them toward on the passenger side you push it to the right, and on the driver's side you push the key to the left, so you can feel the pressure and the springs. And then basically what it does, it just releases the two locks on the sides, and then you can pull the whole unit forward. And these are the lock assembly, as you can see, when the key goes inside. Yeah, as you can see, it just pushes this lock assembly inward, and then it releases the whole radio. And then you can pull it forward. And these are the connector in the back. And the most common problem with this unit, either the CD player doesn't work, or if you do not have a display and then you have no sound, basically you do not get any MMI logo, and then you have no sound, and then for sure this multimedia player is bad. But if the MMI logo comes and then disappears, and then you have no sound, most likely this unit is fine. And then the problem could be in the trunk of the car, because the sound system is based on the fiber optic network. So if one component is not working, basically it interrupts the fiber optic network, and then the unit wakes up, MMI logo comes up, and then it shuts down because one of the unit is faulty and is not responding to the signal from the MMI controller, and then MMI controller goes to sleep. So, but if there is no display and there is no audio, so this unit is bad. But if the MMI logo comes out and it goes away, most likely this piece is fine, and then the problem should be in the trunk. And if you need any repair for this unit, you can send it to High Tech Electronic Services in Van Nuys, California, 818-785-8085.